Let's work on la independently. It looks this way. L and a, la. For example, 哪里什么啦里 l and e. Okay. 什么 Okay, this is a s and this is a m. 哪里什么 in a straightforward way, direct and quick. Okay, 什么 often we can just understand it as in a way. Okay, so la at the beginning, la moon. So usually we just finish it. Okay, from top to bottom. Then we add this like a moon, and we put L here. La moon, blue, the color. La in the middle. 火拉木币和我火 This is 我 You put a circle. This is a kind of 火 Okay, 火拉木币拉木币 You finish it. You put a m here. And you put a l here. 火拉木币 is a very common word. Read something aloud. Okay. 火拉木币 La in the end. Tabala. For example, de a da and b a ba and l a la. Tabala. It's like a Chinese bala, okay? Like that's it, okay? Or forget it. All right, let's work on le. You just repeat la. Okay, this is kind of a. You put a L here, so it's a la, and then you put a dot here. It is a l. All right, and this is a le a la, le here. Let's see. That's the independent form. For example. 了啦什么 Okay, 了 and 啦什么 we just said in a way of. Okay, 了啦什么 So it's kind of a crowded, okay, hustle and bustle, okay, that kind of a 熙熙攘攘人多 All right. And let's see. Le at the beginning. For example, le mo bi. Okay, mo and bi. Okay, you put m here and l here and put a dot. So this is a le, lo mo bi. Okay, so it's a Chinese word, lo, to show off, to demonstrate. Low, 显露的露 Okay, so this word means to show off, to flex your muscle, to show off your power, to demonstrate your power. Okay, can be good, can be bad. Okay, so lombi. Okay, then we work on le in the middle. Let's see, and let me find a popular word. For example, 金姑了么 This is a gi, and this is an gin, and we put ji here, so it's a jing. Okay, so it's like the Chinese word jing. Okay, to respect. Okay, jing gu ge wu gu is like this gong. Okay, it's another word for me being respectful. 金姑了么 We put a le here. It's like the Mongolian language. You put a la le to make something into a verb. Okay, 金姑了么 So this me functions as adverb or adjective. Okay, 金姑了么 It means in a very careful way and a respectful way. 金姑了么 Okay, so le in the end, for rice. B and L. Okay, rice.